David, the Lambo door guy. For the people that don't know me, I work with LamboDoorsDirect.com. If you ever want the kits or installation, just let us know. At this point, we pretty much lifted the car, took off the wheels. I taped up the car to protect from scratches when I'm taking off the fender. At this point, I pretty much removed the door panel trim, and now what I need to do is modify the wiring. And after that, it'll be pretty much preparing the car for the kit. Alright guys, at this point I pretty much had to cut so I can get some space for the kit to fit. As you can see, it's mounted on already. Also the other side as well. At this point I'm pretty much going to adjust and just make sure everything is closing pretty good. Alright guys, so at this moment I'm mounted the shocks. As you can see. I think the sun is out, right? So pretty much I'm just, cutting the fender just to give it some space for the kit to fit. Factory specs, make it look like it doesn't have any lambo doors, but once you open it, guess what? It's different. It has lambo doors.
Hey, how you doing, man? This is Johnny. Some places I be going, people will ask me this is a Lamborghini right here. Thanks to Lambo Doors Direct, people are gonna think it's a Lamborghini. Thank you guys, man. Appreciate it. Fantastic job, man. My son's gonna love it when he sees this.
You heard my man. He said everything. I don't have much to say. What you waiting for? Let's get it done.